Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist here with RJO Futures in Chicago on September 10th, bringing some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started. Energy complex across the board has got a weaker tone to it right now. Crude prices are off here. About almost $1, trading around 91.75 a barrel. It's the lowest we've been here in some time. I've got the Brent off as well, trading around 98.15. That's off about $1. We've really seen that spread kind of widening down, closing in on about 6.40 right now. So certainly we're seeing some weakness in there. I do think that spread possibly has the potential to start widening back out. I've got some thoughts and ideas, some areas here to take a look at, so give me a call. We can get into more detail on that. Taking a look at the nat gas, that's off. Yesterday was a big day here to the upside here. Kind of getting some pullback in there. That's off about 2.5 to 3 cents. The heat's off about 3.5 cents, and the RBOB's off here just over 2 cents. One thing I want to point out there on that RBOB, we had an inside day on there and a nice breakout here this morning. So if you're unfamiliar with how to play inside days and how that strategy works, give me a call and we can get into a little bit more detail on that as well. Now, taking a look at some of the information coming out this morning affecting the market, besides seeing the equities market with a weaker tone here initially, it's kind of come back up, but that's seen a little bit of a weaker tone here. Got the dollar. Take a look at that dollar index. I've mentioned it in so many of these posts here. The dollar continues to strengthen, pushing up here near 2-year highs, and that can have a tendency to help put pressure on commodities, especially on the oil market. In addition to that, here we had inventory numbers released this morning, right in line with expectations, though. Most traders are looking for a draw in the neighborhood of about 1.25 million barrels. Came in at about 1 million barrels here, so pretty much in line with expectations. But if you look at what they said for the short-term outlook here for the remainder of 2014, they're lowering their demand outlook projections, and also for 2015, they're also lowering what they think is going to be the overall price target for crude oil. So I think that certainly comes into play, and it goes along the lines of a lot of the things I've said in some of these previous posts here. You look at our current stockpiles of oil here, and I truly believe we have ample oil. That, coupled with the U.S. production that has been on a very steady increase, has helped keep oil prices under pressure. So much to the point that OPEC is now concerned that they're actually talking about, they have a meeting here tomorrow, they're looking at curbing their oil output, mainly due to our increase in U.S. oil production. So they're seeing less demand there. So a lot of interesting forces at work here in the oil market. Give me a call, shoot me an email, and we can discuss things in a little bit more detail. I can offer you some strategies on how to take advantage of some of these price movements. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.